Hello, welcome back to our piano tutorial. Today we're learning Delicate by Taylor Swift. It's a very easy pop song to play, very popular pop song to play. This song is always on the radio. This tutorial is going to be a little different. We're going to learn how to play it the regular chords, and then if you want to mix things up a little bit, we're going to try to do chord substitutions and see where that leads us. Without further ado, let's get started. Two parts you need to learn for this song. There is the bridge and then everything else. It's a pretty standard pop song, but yeah, let's get started with the verse, which would be the verse, the chorus, the pre-chorus, the post-chorus, all that stuff. Alright, so really, there's only 4 chords you need to learn for like 95% of this song. You have C major, or I do a C major 7, I just add the B. So C octaves in your left hand with E, G, B, and C. By the way, this is middle C. But if you want to go up here, I started out with this. Next chord is D minor. I do D minor 7. So D's and octaves in your left hand with F, A, C, and D. Next chord is an A minor 7, which again, I guess add the G for the 7th. You have A and E in your left hand with G, A, C, and E in your right. And then your last chord for 95% of this song is this F7 chord. Very, very pretty. One of my favorite chords to play. Yeah, I don't know where I was going with that. It's one of my favorite chords to play. You have F and C in your left hand with F, A, C, and E in your right. And slow down sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. D, 2, 3, 4. A minor 7, 3, 4. F7. Yeah, so that's 95% of your song, like I've been saying. We're gonna go back later and try to do some substitutions for chords, but let's get on to the bridge. Alright, so the bridge is when she started like, sometimes when I look into your eyes, that whole part. It wasn't even the right part of the bridge, but you know, same concept. You have, excuse me, E minor 7, which is E's in your left hand with G, B, D, and E. Then you go to this A minor 7 chord, which you learned again, which, yeah, you already learned same fingering for that. And then you go to this G9, which is G and D in your left hand with G, A, B, and D in your right. Slow down sounds like this. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, and that repeats. 2, 3, 4, 2. G, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2. I'm gonna go back into just the verse or the chorus. Alright, speaking of, you just saw this chord, let's find out how it can make chord substitutions in this very easy pop song. Alright, when I play this song, what I like to do is during the chord, the second part of the chorus, I like going, you know, the first part of the chorus is what you learned, C to D to A to this F7 chord again. But on the second part, or starting that second part, I go to this F minor 7. I'm pretty Pretty sure it's F minor 7. If not, it'll be up in the black box. But all you're doing is moving, excuse me, my A to the A flat, giving it a minor 4, 7. And then, actually, you know what? Let me just start off with the verse. So we have C, 4, D, 2, 3, 4, A, 3, 4, F, 7, 2, F minor 7, 4. Then we go to this A minor chord again for 4 beats. To this B diminished 7, which is not really a chord you would normally use, but I just think it sounds good with the transition we're going for. So you go from A minor 7 to this B diminished, which is B and F in your left hand. Wow, my voice is choking. But B and F in your left hand with A, B, D, and F in your right for 4 beats. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. So it's E major chord, which is E's in your left hand with G sharp, B, D, and E. Back to this F7. Let's try that very slowly, and you'll understand what I'm going for when you hear this. So he's got C, 2, 3, D, A, F minor, A, B diminished, E major. What I like to do, I just like doing that just because it can get very boring repeating the same 4 chords for 95% of the song. So to make it interesting for the listener and also for the player itself or themselves, I like substituting chords that you wouldn't normally use in what the actual verse or chorus is, but that sound harmonically almost the same. So C major, well, we're in the key of C major. So up here, C major, but the relative of C would be A, which is why I went to that A minor chord and started there. It's all theory stuff, if you know what that is, but honestly, if you don't, it just sounds really cool, just putting in chords you wouldn't normally use. And that's how you play Delicate by Taylor Swift. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. I hope you guys liked how I tried to use different chords to make the song more interesting. I'm trying to do that a lot with stuff going forward. If you liked the video, give it a like. If you like more stuff on my channel, please subscribe to the channel and comment what you want to see me play. Thank you guys so much for watching the video, and I will see you next one.